Greetings, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a class in Google Classroom. So wherever you might be in Google, you can always open a new tab, but you don't have to. So let's say you were looking at your Google Drive tab. You can come up here to the grid, this little collection of dots. If you click on that, you should find Google Classroom. Now, if yours doesn't appear here in this top assortment, you can just scroll down and it will be in here somewhere. But you click on Google Classroom, it'll bring you to the home section. From here, it's super simple. All you're going to do is come up to your top right where you see this little plus sign. This is to create or join a class. But for us, we're creating, so we're going to click that plus sign and we're going to click on Create Class. Now from here, you need to give your class a name. If, for instance, I was creating a class for history, I would just type history. If I was ELA, I'm probably going to want to type the actual title of the course. So if it was the core ELA, or maybe it was ELA support, or maybe ELA honors. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to say that this is a science class. Then for section, this is where I'm going to go ahead and put the period. So let's say this was my first period. So I'm going to type out period 1. Now, you do not need to worry about putting anything for the level or the subject. We've taken care of that and it's not really needed. However, down here at the bottom where it says room, we would like you to put your room number. So I'm just going to use my current room number. I'm DP 17, and then I'm going to click create. Now, once you've created, it'll bring you straight into the classroom. You'll notice up here, since we said the name of the course was science, and we want to make it simple like that so it's really easy for students to see which tile they're looking at when they enter their Google Classroom. They can quickly find your particular class. Then I've put period 1. The reason we do this is so that the students can really easily and quickly put their classes in order when they enter Google Classroom, and I'll show you how students can do that later. Now you'll notice here that it's already given us a banner image. However, if you would like to customize this, you can come up to Customize. You'll see 2 options, Select Photo and Upload Photo. Now, if you want to go in to Google Drawing or Canva and design your own header photo, you absolutely can do that. That's not something we're going to have a video on just yet. So for now, you can just select photo and they'll have up here some general ones specifically for ELA and history, for math and science, the arts, sports, and then of course they have some other ones. But since I picked a science class, I really don't like the beakers, so I'm going to go ahead and pick this one over here. And then it is going to be my class theme, and I'll click Save. There we go. This is the basic setup for creating your Google Classroom.